Are you stuck deciding between Microsoft Loop, Notion, and SharePoint? You're not alone. Today, we'll break down these three popular tools to help you choose the best one for your needs. All three tools aim to improve collaboration and organization. They help teams work together, share information, and keep projects on track. But each one has its own unique features. Let's start with Microsoft Loop. This tool focuses on real time collaboration. It allows teams to create and edit content together. Loop is great for brainstorming and sharing ideas. It's part of the Microsoft 365 suite, so it integrates well with the other Microsoft apps. Now, let's talk about Notion. Notion is more than just a note taking app. It combines notes, tasks, wikis, and databases all in one place. It's highly customizable, letting you create your workspace exactly how you want it. Notion is perfect for individuals and small teams looking for flexibility. Finally, we have SharePoint. This tool is designed for larger organizations. SharePoint is all about document management and storage. It allows teams to create websites for sharing information and collaborating on projects. It's powerful but can be complex, making it better suited for business with specific needs. When it comes to differences, Microsoft Loop is all about real time editing. Notion offers flexibility and customization, while SharePoint focuses on document management. In terms of features, Loop shines in collaboration, Notion excels in organization, and SharePoint is great for managing large amounts of data. Pricing varies, with Loop being part of Microsoft 365 subscriptions, Notion offering free and paid plans, and SharePoint typically bundled with business plans. So, which one should you choose? If you need quick collaboration, go for Loop. If you want a customizable workspace, Notion is your best bet. For larger teams needing document management, SharePoint is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.